What's up, everybody? It's daylight saving time. I got my not my G-Shock, sorry. My Timex shock. I wanted to put my solar. I set the time right this morning. I like looking at it going around. Yeah. Got my Timex shock, baby. Yeah. Daylight saving time. Hope you all set your watches. I'm gonna take a look at the watches. See what's going over here. I don't think there's really be too much watches over here, but I'll just take a look at them real quick. That's what I said when it was a $9 watch. So you don't know what's going to be over there, but I don't know. You never know what's going to be in here. Hey, they got those box watches, $11. Trying to get rid of them for $11. Definitely not interested in. See, there's no things on here. These are all free right now. Watches, they're not tied down or caged up. You know. Somebody threw a Casio in here. $21. Great little Casio watch. It's in the Georgie watches, but see, they're not fenced in. They're not fenced in. They're free over here. This is only about an hour away where I was. There it is. Tough solar, baby. Tough solar. It's 137. I got the mud resistant. This one I'm looking to get one day. If I get it on sale. I have this vibrating watch, but I want it in this one. It's a clean design on it, front of the watch. The mud resistant is good too, but I got the mud resistant. It's a great watch. I got the little Forester here. Got an afterglow on it. Nice watch. Not for me, but it's a nice watch. These are nice. These are big. These dive watches, they're big. I like that. Extra long band on that one. These are good when you get them on sale. $21. You get them on sale for $10 sometimes. Casio Royale. They're a good watch. So this is a negative display. Same watch as this. It's a nice watch too. Negative display. Armitron. This is a good watch. It's digital and analog and digital. And then that's the digital one of it. It's a nice watch. It's a nice watch, man. It's a nice watch. It's a nice watch. This one's nice too. 10-year battery. Horizon. I had that one. I sold it for the green one I got. I got this one. This is Armitron. It's hard to see it because it's with the band, but it's a world time watch. It's listed right on it. It's hard to pick it up on it. World time on it, but it's there. It says world time on a band. Yeah, just the same old stuff over here. Some nice Armitrons. Some nice Timexes. Oh man. They got some sales. Not interested in those watches though. They don't have anything over here though. Georgie watches. They're all over here. Yeah, there ain't much happening right now. Nice Armitron. Yeah, all right. Calculator watch. Calculator watch. F91. F91 coming at you. Someone said I should get one. I'm really not interested in it. It's a little. It's a nice watch, but it's a nice little watch, but little. It's small. You know, it's small, but it'll do the job and everything. But it's. I never liked that watch. Really, I like it, but I'm not a good fan of it. It's a little too small, but you know, F91 though, nice watch though. Yeah. Anyway, everybody, peace out. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your weekend. Peace out, everybody.